Today, we're talking about skin tag removal. While it might be tempting to explore DIY methods, it's crucial to understand why this is a job best left to the professionals. Let's delve into it. Why see a professional? Skin tags, those small, harmless growths of skin, are quite common. While they're generally harmless, removing them is a job for a qualified medical professional. 1. Consultation with a dermatologist. The first step is to schedule a consultation with a dermatologist. They are trained to assess your skin, identify the skin tags, and determine the most suitable removal method. 2. Evaluation of skin tags. During the consultation, the dermatologist will evaluate the skin tags, considering factors like size, location, and overall skin health. 3. Professional removal techniques. Qualified professionals have various methods for removing skin tags safely. This may include using medical scissors, cryotherapy, or electrocautery. 4. Local anesthesia. In some cases, a local anesthetic may be applied to ensure the patient is comfortable during the removal process. 5. Minimal scarring. One advantage of professional removal is the minimized risk of scarring. Qualified practitioners know how to perform the procedure with precision to promote optimal healing. 6. Post-removal care. After the removal, a dermatologist will provide guidance on post-procedure care to ensure proper healing. In summary, removing skin tags is a procedure that should only be performed by a qualified medical professional. Dermatologists have the expertise and tools necessary for a safe and effective removal process. If you found this information valuable, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.